You have a female body. If anyone makes any kind of sexually motivated actions towards a female body, it should not be tolerated. We have government laws. Take advantage of those laws and protect yourself. Make provisions to punish at the first offense. Prevent any attempt at a second step. Understand spirituality. The internal subject of spirituality is different and the external subject is different. As for behavior, for example, if your body is female and someone is harassing you, if you say sorry, they will grab you the second time. And the law is very supportive towards women in India at this time. It's very supportive, very beautiful. Don't misuse the law. But if someone thinks of committing such an unforgivable crime against you, do not give them the way. Because nowadays, demonic intentions are increasing. A very cruel attitude is developing towards young girls. Yes, so in the very first step at the first glance, immediately take the help of the law and get them punished. Such people are not worthy of forgiveness.
There is a kind of fear, Maharaji, that no disturbance should affect our family or something like that.
Whatever happens, we will see. God is there. Things don't happen just because everyone thinks they will. If destruction is destined, it will happen. How can you cause destruction? Are you Brahma? Are you God? We will see. We should not become cowards. We should be absolutely brave. Let's see if we are like this. Look, we should be completely prepared. We will die on the day we are meant to die. But in the meantime, you will intervene with us. You should remain absolutely firm. And if there is even a slight chance that one or two people are intervening, then you should somehow escape and then take government cooperation to present your defense. This society now, not something to be forgiven. Now the new children are becoming very unruly. They have started using drugs, watch inappropriate things on mobile, and try to put them into practice. So inappropriate behaviors and actions are happening. We request from our sisters, do not forgive at
Please
all.
provide one more solution, Maharaji. We made a mistake and now the other person is blackmailing us a lot, and then one mistake is leading to another. In such a situation,
There should be absolutely no blackmail. If we made a mistake, then a mistake happened once. Suppose a mistake happened with you once. So what if a mistake happened? It's not like mom, dad, or the world should know. We shouldn't keep getting blackmailed repeatedly once we made a mistake. Once a mistake happened, we shouldn't be pressured that we made a mistake once. The secret will be revealed.
Maharaji, I have a 17-year-old daughter. When she goes on her scooter, she comes home and tells me that people the age of mom and dad are doing such wrong things.
Yes, absolutely not. That nowadays age doesn't matter. Everyone's intellect is corrupted. Those who are separated from God, separated from religion, separated from spirituality are not trustworthy even at 80 years old. Therefore, in today's times, those who are not connected with spirituality, those not connected to spirituality, if connected to spirituality, look, this child here is saying while crying, I make mistakes, bad thoughts come to me. If connected to spirituality, even a young child in the congregation is saying, bad thoughts come to me. And if not connected to spirituality, how can someone talk like this? Without being connected to spirituality, animalistic nature does not go away, nor does demonic tendency.